Cooking can be overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner in the kitchen. But fear not, we've got you covered with these top 5 cooking hacks that will make your life easier and your food more delicious. Hack number 1. Learn how to properly use a knife. A sharp knife makes all the difference in the kitchen, and learning how to properly hold and use it can save you time and prevent accidents. Hack number 2. Use a timer. Set a timer for your cooking and baking to avoid overcooking or burning your food. Hack number 3. Measure ingredients accurately. Measuring ingredients accurately is crucial for baking and cooking. Use measuring cups and spoons to ensure you get the perfect amount every time. Hack number 4. Don't overcrowd the pan. When cooking on a stovetop, make sure not to overcrowd the pan. This can prevent even cooking and cause your food to steam instead of fry. Hack number 5. Use garlic to add flavor to your meals. Garlic is a great way to add flavor to your meals. Learn how to properly peel and mince garlic to elevate your dishes. And there you have it, our top 5 cooking hacks for kitchen beginners. Remember, cooking can be fun and easy with a little bit of practice and the right tools. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.